AI is taking over, and there's a couple of pretty awesome print-on-demand specific AI tools out there, but they cost. And not only do they cost, they're made by people who aren't directly in this industry, on the front lines, figuring stuff out, getting stuck, trying to get sales and trying to come up with profitable designs. No. They're made by software companies with the main intention to get signups and sales. Well, that's all about to change because I've joined the party. And if you're new here, my name is Shimmy Morris and I've been in the print-on-demand world for over 10 years. I've experienced a lot of the struggles that sellers go through every single day. And on top of that, because of our community of print-on-demand sellers, I'm able to see firsthand what people need the most help with, which is why I've created something that I think will really benefit everyone. Before going into it, let me just quickly take you through the journey so you can see we've really thought about this. Ideally, you start with a niche or multiple niches if your plan is to sell on Etsy. After finding a niche, you embark on probably the most difficult and hardest and most time-consuming part of print on demand, the designs. Coming up with winning designs, finding good phrases, good graphics, and ultimately designing something that someone will spend money on, that is difficult. And after that, we have mock-ups, store creation, and marketing. What I have found is most people struggle or slip up on, whether they know it or not, is designs and phrases. Whether you're a designer or not, print-on-demand designs have a specific look. And until you start noticing them in your research, you'll struggle to create something that gets lots of sales. So there is an element of the backstory behind our AI tool. So come on now, what the hell is this tool that you've made? Well, it's a phrase generator, but it's not like other phrase generators because I know there are some out there. This is flipping sick, like really cool. I've tested it against pretty much everything else out there on the market, and I'm not kidding here. What we have built is genuinely one of the best phrase AI tools on the planet. If you are unaware of ChatGPT, you are now able to model your own GPT and create an AI that is made to follow a set of instructions and use specific data you have given it to produce far more accurate results than just asking ChatGPT itself to give you some ideas. So, what have we done? And by we, I mean my brother and I. Josh is my brother and he's the expert behind this tool. He's an absolute genius when it comes to AI and he has spent an absurd amount of time finessing this model so that it produces the best possible results. Of course, I have to add, like with any AI, it's still a robot and it can at some point make mistakes. That's very normal. So, how have we modeled this GPT? Well, first things first, we only want the best possible results. And in order to train the AI on what the best results would be, we had to teach it first. And we've gathered thousands and thousands of best-selling design phrases, collectively earning sellers millions and millions of dollars. Once we had all of that data, we could start to see similarities on popular designs. And we were able to train the GPT to start seeing them as well. So now, when it produces ideas for us, it wouldn't just spit out random cheesy crap that it thinks is good. Instead, it's actually basing it off successful designs. Now, a lot more went into this, and I'm probably butchering Josh's work, so let's just ask him. Hey Josh, well done with this GPT. I've tried to explain to everyone what it is, why it's so powerful, but I feel like I was just butchering your work. So can you just quickly tell us, in as few words as possible, why is this so much better than anything else out there?
Okay, well, this is the phrase bot for the hub, and I spent a lot of time researching the top phrases and using tools to scrape Etsy and Amazon and things like that. We took the top designs from Gelato and Printful, the two biggest print-on-demand providers, and they shared all their top designs as well. You can find them on the internet, but we compiled all that and templated them. So now this bot will take your niche, do custom research on it, and fill in all those top-selling designs phrases with your niche. And because it does this research for you in depth, it actually finds you these little sub niches and little phrases and terms that you wouldn't know about, because of the way we've designed it to use ChatGPT's power and processing methods and capabilities to actually do the research and then switch it up.
So this isn't just a bot where it will spit out 100 phrases at you. It actually
No. It's
research shows you it's working out.
trained. It's trained on the best-selling phrases. So, for example, even the research broken down into categories breaks it down into the best-selling categories of t-shirt phrases. So, for example, sarcasm is a huge selling category. So we've broken down a section of the research for sarcasm, and then you get phrases based on the best-selling phrases in the sarcastic way, designed for your niche. So it's like you're skipping 10 steps to get all the research done for you and get the phrases made. It's incredible.
Okay, not all of that may have made sense, but let's give it a spin so I can show you how it works. It's run on ChatGPT as a private plugin, and I'll tell you how you can get it soon. Despite being told by many people to charge for this, maybe charge a monthly fee or something, I've decided to make it free, 100% free. You don't need to pay us to get it. I want this to help as many people as possible. So this is the Print on Demand Hub's Phrase Genie. Have a look. Okay, so if I put in, I'm going to put in a random niche that I've never done any research on, I don't know anything about. It would actually be difficult for me to come up with ideas for this niche because I don't know anything about it. So I'm going to put the niche in Jiu-Jitsu, and I'm going to show you why this is the best phrase builder on planet Earth. So what it does is it actually builds us a research table. It's doing all of the research for us, as you can see right now. It's so flipping cool. So rather than me have to go and search the internet and learn about this niche, this is doing all the research it needs. Okay, so step 1, research table for jiu-jitsu. And you've got all of these different jargons, general terms, puns, idioms, related words, sarcastic, funny. And then it says, step 3, confirmation. Here is the research we have gathered for your niche. Would you like to receive a list of phrases? Yes. Let's just ask it for that list of phrases. And now it starts giving us phrases, and it's basing these phrases off of the research it's just done. And that research it's just done is based on the way we've taught it. This is why this is so unbelievably... If you can't tell from how excited I am about this, it's just, this is madness. So we've got general phrases from the general terms. We've then got motivational, funny, sarcastic. And then here it says phrases are just one small part of print on demand business. Learn how to create stunning designs, blah, 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 right? So let's just have a look at some of these. So some funny ones. I don't always roll, but when I do, I win. Just a girl who loves choking people. Sorry, I can't. I have jiu-jitsu. Eat, sleep, jiu-jitsu, repeat. Rolling is my cardio. See, I don't fully get all these terms, like rolling. Maybe that's a thing in jiu-jitsu. I roll better than I run. I'm not short. I'm just in guard. Someone who knows jiu-jitsu will find that funny. Just one more roll, they said. My happy place, being choked by friends. Rolling is my therapy. Submission in training. Jiu-jitsu. There's so many ideas here. And then when you want to kind of find ideas for a new niche, all you need to do is click down here and click new chat. But bear in mind, you can then say to it, give me more funny ones. And it will give you funny ones based on, well, so it's giving you more funny ones, again, based on all of that research it's done. I feel jiu-jitsu, I need some jiu-jitsu. Jiu-jitsu superstar. There's so many, right? And then, okay, so let me just go for a new chat. Let me put in golf. Let's just get some ideas for some golf. Right, so sometimes you can see it kind of does it a little bit differently. And this is ChatGPT for you. So here it says, great choice. Here are some sub-niches. So it gave us some sub-niches of golf. And then it's giving us that research table. What's really important here is you need to make sure it's doing the research table. If it skips the research table entirely, you just want to click stop and you want to start again. So let's have a list. So let's say, yes, give me the phrases. And it's going to give me phrases based on all of this. And again, it's got all these puns, idioms, related words, sarcastic, funny. Golf and green are my kind of magic. Golf and training. Golf is life. Golf is my sport. And what I've actually found is some of these ideas that I've done in the testing phase of this tool, because we've been testing it now for quite a while, I've actually found some of the design ideas that it's giving. Firstly, we sell them, and we sell a lot of them. But not only that, we found that it's giving some ideas that have sold millions and millions of dollars worth of t-shirts. So it really knows what it's doing. It's so flipping cool. So anyways, this is what the Phrase Genie GPT looks like. Pretty epic, right? Come on. Is this not so unbelievably flipping cool? Again, not every phrase it's going to come up with is going to be good. None of this is guaranteed sales, but what I can guarantee it will do for you is save you countless hours, help you if you're in a creative rut, and you can be happy knowing the results have come from serious training based on the best and most successful print-on-demand designs in the last couple of years. So, how can you access this absolute epicness? Well, if you click on the link in the description, you'll be taken to our free community. Just by the way, another awesome free resource if you want. Join that community. Head over to Classroom, and in the freebies folder, you'll be able to see a link to access this GPT. Simply click the link and you'll see the plugin automatically added to your GPT. Then start asking away. On that page where you can find that link, there'll also be a video tutorial on how to use it that Josh has made. I really urge you to watch that video first, just so that you can ensure that you are using it to its full potential. I hope you see the value in this tool and the power in this tool. There are still many roadblocks that people face with their print-on-demand business, and I'm slowly figuring out the best way to solve them all. So subscribe and keep watching to get the best print-on-demand advice moving forward.